Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And right here I'd like to show you two different ways of removing browsing history, a basic one and more advanced one. So the basic one is right here. Simply, that was a misclick. So basic is one here, is this one right here, clear browsing data. Let's tap on it, and here you can quickly remove something from last 15 minutes, all time. Basically you will remove browsing history, cookies, sensei data, and cached images and files. You can simply tap on clear data and you will finish everything. If you want to, you can also enter advanced browsing history. Just tap on the history here. And as you can see, we've got also the list of previously visited websites. So if you want to remove something manually, you can do it right here just by tapping on this X button next to the specific website. So let's tap on clear browsing data. And as I said, those three from the top are the basic options, which you had a chance to remove in the previous way. And the last three options are advanced, like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Again, you can change the time range here, and to remove everything, make sure that everything is marked and tap on clear data. Confirm it, and as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.